Hey everyone, the Aoostar GEM 12 Max is a compact yet powerful tiny PC designed to deliver top-tier performance in a portable and space-efficient form factor. This cutting-edge device is powered by the Ryzen R7845HS processor and is now available on JD.com, starting at $267. Let's take a closer look at its features and specifications. The design of the GEM 12 Max exemplifies portability and durability, encased in a CNC machined aluminum shell. Mini PC weighs just 0.66 kilos and measures a compact 13 by 13 by 6 centimeters, making it highly portable and easy to integrate into any workspace. Its lightweight and robust construction ensure longevity and resistance to daily wear and tear, while its sleek aesthetics add a touch of sophistication. Under the hood, the GEM 12 Max boasts the Ryzen 7845HS processor based on the advanced Zen 4 architecture. Paired with Radeon 780M integrated graphics, which utilize the RDNA 3 architecture, the system supports ray tracing and offers smooth gaming performance and excellent rendering capabilities, making it ideal for creative and technical users alike. In addition to its powerful CPU and GPU, the GEM 12 Max supports up to 96 gigs of dual-channel DDR5 memory, ensuring smooth performance for resource-intensive applications. For storage, the device includes two M.2 280 PCIe 4.0 by 4 slots, offering high-speed SSD performance and expansion capabilities of up to 2 terabytes. Furthermore, an OCU link interface enables additional graphics or disk array cabinets, adding versatility and freeing up NVMe slots for other uses. The GEM 12 Max is equipped with a comprehensive array of connectivity options, including 2 USB 4 ports with 40 gigabytes per second bandwidth, 2 2.5 gigabytes per second Ethernet ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. For display output, it supports up to 4K resolution at 120 Hz across 4 screens via HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, making it ideal for multitasking and creative tasks. Heat management is addressed by a VC graphene heatsink and an innovative cooling system, enabling efficient heat dissipation even at its maximum power requirement of 70 watts. The pricing of the GEM 12 Max varies depending on the configuration. The barebones version is available for $267, while the 16 gig RAM and 1 terabyte storage version is priced at $376, and the 32 gig RAM and 1 terabyte storage version costs $418. This makes it a versatile option for users with varying performance needs and budgets. In conclusion, the Aoostar GEM 12 Max stands out as a feature-packed and portable tiny PC with powerful hardware and a well-thought-out design. Whether for gaming, creative work, or everyday multitasking, it offers robust performance in a compact package at an attractive price point. Combined with its extensive connectivity options and expandability, the GEM 12 Max is a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance mini PC solution. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Have a nice day and God bless you.